But it was a great visual because it was that love in between that hatred and those people who were
And
sad.
without causing more, like the friction between.
Without
Right.
causing more friction, it was just showing up with love.
Yeah.
Take time to sit with the night sky. What thoughts and feelings came up? Did everyone take time to do that this past week? What were your experiences with that?
Total peace.
Oneness with the universe. Wonder.
Yeah.
You know, it's amazing. It's so infinite. It's so easy to just remember that and realize it's just, you know, how can there not be something that just is total love in control of everything? Not only just, you know, this world and Sarah's world and Carla's world and everyone's little tiny empire thing they got going on, but like the different ones in this galaxy and beyond. I mean, it's just unfathomable to get to it where it's just real. Like that divine thing, whatever it is just real and everywhere. And like right now, it's just listening.
Yeah.
I love it.
It's a wonderful thing. Andy, my fiance, and I, we were able to get a place out in the country where there are no lights to be seen, and I've always loved looking up at the night sky, and you know, I'm the one out at 3 in the morning to see a meteor shower that won't come around for another 50 years, you know. And I'm the one waiting for that eclipse, even though my dog wants to go back inside. And it's because I feel held. I don't know how else to explain it. I feel held and I feel cherished under that night sky. And it's like I'm okay being a grain of sand on an ocean beach. I'm okay with that. Because I'm not alone in that. I'm a part of something, and it's kind of like, you know, I studied astronomy. I wanted to be an astronomer until I found out all the physics involved, and then it was not a strong suit. But I've always had, you know, like Sarah said, a sense of wonder and awe, and to be a part of it, and even though I might be a speck, I'm part of that whole. And so I'm not alone. So I've always had kind of the opposite effect. Instead of feeling alone and isolated and small and you know, with a negative sense, I just feel loving and loved. So we're down to the last 10 minutes. And I want to do the chamber. So what was your reaction, real quick, when Keith made the announcement that he wasn't going to be here and it was time for us to step in and hold this thing? Yeah? Yeah?
What are we going to do?
Mm-hmm. It's like having to do a presentation before class in front of 300 people. But you know what? This has felt pretty good. We got this, right? We got this. It's not all on Keith, and you never wanted it to be all on him. So I think this was a great opportunity to practice what we were talking about last week about stepping in and being more active. So to that end,
I just have to say, I love everything that I do for this because it's not doing it for it, it's just, this is what needs to be done and I'm happy to do it. But it was so wonderful to be here and like be active in the class. And well, I mean, it was just really cool because I actually felt this like peace and this love emanating, and it was just really, really wonderful. So I'm so grateful.
and it's nice having you out from behind the camera.
Right.
You never realize until you're out from behind it. It's like, wow, there was that little bit of barrier there. So
Right.
I'm glad to be here. So let's chamber it up. And we have a stepping stool if you want to use it to get the top bottom view, because I think that's when we do that.
where's
From
the
the top
stepping
bottom,
stool?
it's powerful. It's right here.
Oh, okay.
I'll bring it over. Chamber it up. Yeah, maybe that could be a hashtag. Chamber it up. So I don't know if you want to have it close to the wall so you can
Fantastic. Or
Yeah, I'll be
balance out.
good.
Okay. So, all right, yeah, move on in. The first one, move on in, guys. The first one we're gonna do is for Keith's brother Kevin again. Mary Lou's gonna call it out for us. She felt strongly that that needed to be done. Everybody move in.
Kevin, we are sending you the healing love and light from our Almighty Father and from all our brothers and sisters throughout the world. All our brothers and sisters here tonight, and for those in the world, when you unexpectedly are traveling down a path that you did not know would be confronted, know that you are never, never, ever alone. Just trust in your heart song. Listen to your heart song. Your heart song filled with love and joy, and God's loving, healing light, and our loving, healing hands and hearts for you and all of our brothers and sisters that are currently traveling down an unexpected path. Just listen, follow the heart song. You are never alone. The heart song and the trust in your heart song will guide you on the next path that you need to be on for your loving journey.
And all of us, who else is feeling alone? We're never alone, never alone. Let's send out love to everyone here, Kevin, the world, those of us that are feeling alone in our journey and overwhelmed.
Throw them in that love bowl.
Cosmic soup of love.
Yep,
Yeah.
yep.
Visualize the band of hearts going around the entire world, circling in you, touching you, healing you, lighting your world, lighting your journey.
Who's coming into the center tonight for some healing, for some love? Who's coming in? Yeah,
Sure.
Kat?
Sure.
What do you want loved into balance tonight, Kat?
Leaving stress from work at work. That's when I need balance.
Not taking that home with you. Just leaving it where it is, where it belongs. Let's all hold that loving intention. Love Kat into the balance of staying at her center and holding her center. Let's just breathe right into it. Feeling that gentle rock. If we're rocking a new one, it's bringing that peace.
Wow. Wow. Yeah. Felt it, really felt
Who else wants
I
to?
felt the energy.
Oh,
Your
yeah.
neck
Come
and
on.
your shoulders.
Yeah.
And, yes,
Yes.
come on in, Terry.
amazing.
Yeah.
Terry, what would you like loved into balance? Your head, your thoughts, your feelings. Sending that love to create a balance of peace and clarity, to quiet your mind. You deserve to have a quiet mind. Just breathe right into that. Sending your loving stress us, that confuse us, that burden us, our thoughts, things that don't serve us. Through you, we all send a loving attention to all of us that have need of quiet, of order. So yes.
Thank you, Karen.
That's your
Sharon.
I'm so glad you're here tonight.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm here to continue to grow in wisdom and understanding so we can reach out and be oneness with the world, oneness with God's Spirit, and the joy of the opportunity to bring the gift of love. Be a gift and to receive the gift.
We always have enough love. There's never a limit on love
Unlimited love.
because we're of God and God is love
Yes.
and it's always there for us. And so let's breathe that in. Let's amplify that love that you want within yourself and the world.
Family. We're all family.
Yes.
The love of family.
We are loved and we love.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. We have peace and understanding. And prosperity. Because we are one. We are our brother, sister's keeper.
Yes.
We are love.
We lift each other up.
Yes, we lift each other up to the highest, as we do ourselves.
And we love
do
each
to
other.
others.
Yeah, we
Yes.
love each other until we can love ourselves.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know what is interesting? Is that not intentionally, but everybody who's been here, my hand has gone to their right shoulder, or their right arm. But the energy that is going through there, I don't know if you can feel it, it's flowing,
Yeah.
big time. So,
Big peace.
it's cool. Do you need to come in?
Come on in.
Okay.
Come on in. We're going to send that loving intention for the highest good, that the energy that you're feeling flowing will gently increase and heal and become consistent and come back to what it was. Your arm will come back to what it was.
Healing from within.
What's the energy of everyone in the group that I'm feeling? And that's the power.
It's love.
Yeah, it's love.
It's love.
Yes. Constant consistency.
You can tell your arm it's okay to let it flow through.
Well, the energy from the left hand is going to the right hand and moving up the arm, so it's cool.
It's always good to have a booster. Because there may be someone here that the energy is blocked for, and so through you, it's going to help unblock that, right?
Well, that's the way I felt, was that their energy is flowing so that this energy can be shared.
Absolutely.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on in, Susan.
You feel the energy?
Yes. Oh, yes.
Let's all join up
Never
for
done
Susan.
this. That's
Move
okay,
it on
Susan.
in, move it on
Everybody
in.
has, you can, we can touch each other however you feel comfortable.
Okay.
Okay?
Let
Do you
yourself-
feel,
Okay,
okay, fine,
comfortable
feel
with that.
supported right through?
Yes, I do. Okay, so I'm new and I've been YouTube, like dumping, I'm on class number 8
Cool.
from 2013 and I have the book, so I'm doing like a power surgeon on this. But you know, what I'm asking for is just rejection from a family member recently. And I want to understand the teachings, so to understand how to
Your
just
energy
be-
is flowing.
I do
You're
feel that.
welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're loved. This is a family that loves you unconditionally.
Yes, thank you.
And this is not your fault. You're not responsible for how other people think of you, feel for you, and take you in or not. You are enough. This is not your fault.
Take a deep breath.
Just don't forget to breathe.
I think I did.
Thank you for
Forgive yourself and forgive others and put love on it and put joy because you are enough.
Don't second guess yourself. You're beautiful the way you are.
Yes.
You're beautiful the way you are.
Yes, the way you are. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
For all of us that are feeling rejection, that are feeling less than or unworthy because one person can't see our light and our gifts. And so that's the time we pour even more love into ourselves, to look compassionately upon ourselves and upon the other person, to hold yourself and know that you are loved, that you are loved.
And know that you are loved and you are a gift. You are a gift to others and you are a gift to yourself.
And you're a gift to us.
You are a gift to
And you were meant
Because-
to be here tonight. Yes.
Because your healing is everybody's.
Right.
Yes.
So glad I came.
But your energy is extremely powerful.
Yes.
You can feel that in your
feel it.
hands
Yeah.
tremendously.
How's our time?
It's done.
All right, Susan, one more. Yeah. Go ahead and lead it in. Everybody join up.
Yes.
Everybody. This healing of love and light is for the practice. For our wonderful Heavenly Father that chose Keith Jordan as our wonderful loving vessel of unconditional love. For his guidance of love, love, love. Love. That's what it's only about, love. As we all know, when a baby is developing, the first organ is the heart. So we thank you for the practice, for the beautiful heart song that it beats inside of every one of us, to do what we can do to spread the love around the world and joy and lift up those vibrations to become more of a balanced world.
And thank you for bringing the word joy into that.
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes. Joy and peace
yes,
and love.
yes.
And it helps. Great job, Carla.
Yeah,
Great
job.
Yeah,
You did a great job.
I love you.
It helps when we accept and permanently and completely all the love and